What's up, everybody?
I think so. Shut it off. Why, do you hear it running?
I don't know if it's streaming, but this is a little crazy. And I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I am anyway. Hold on. I'm trying to turn around the fucking camera. Okay, there we go. It took a while to get up here.
Good. You know what I found with the Genesis?
But this should be fun. Whoa. I probably should have wore boots for this. How long is this trail? Grazing an area. Livestock protection dogs? Is that what that one back there was?
I don't know. It was a guy that was making a fire and he had his dog.
Yeah. Well, the dog didn't have a collar on. Do not walk directly through the herd. If approached by a protection dog, remain calm. What if they just want to say hi? All right. Well, let's start the trail. Yeah, I don't think I need to go to Booth Falls after this.
Not today.
Yeah. Well, I mean, tomorrow's the last day. All right. I gotta put my water in my pocket. Yeah, it's not that cold. It's just snowy. Oh, I think it looks nice out here. Are we gonna get like a view of the city or anything? Or like some city? I don't know like what civilization is around here.
Minter.
Live now, so
It says one live. Should I hit it where it says your picture, one live?
does it say live? Here, hold on.
Or one view?
That's one view. That's not live.
Okay.
Okay, it says live. Here, just
Hit something or no?
don't hit anything as long as you see that where it says live, and I guess like try to prevent your phone from going into sleep mode. Maybe like every 5 minutes, check it or something.
I'll check it.
Yeah. So I thought I was live for like the last hour, like 30 minutes or something, but I wasn't. You know what? You want me to just like take your phone? So
No,
because
it says you're live now.
it looks like you need like your balance is probably. But yeah, I'm gonna try to stream the way back. Uh-oh. You all right?
Yeah.
So hopefully this doesn't go out. But if it, oh God. Oh,
I'm good.
you good?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Yeah, I got some good footage, but
No. Okay. Thank you.
also I got to like I'll have to drop this if anyone else is in danger, so that's also something to keep in mind. There might be bears up here. But yeah, on the way here, a few people have taken some tumbles, so whoa, including me. Like here, look at my hand. My hand's all like fucking like just like not dusty. That's not the right word. Just something. Still say live?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So yeah, just like I'm bummed out that all didn't record, but whatever. Could be worse, as long as you have your health. But yeah, no, it's like there's some cool sights here. I'll try to get some footage on some of the elevated things on the way back, assuming it stays live that whole time. Here, Dad, do you want me to get in front of you so I can so you could grab onto me at any point?
I don't know how I just did that without
Well, I went the left route.
I don't know how I just did that without falling.
Yeah.
I can even hold on to this.
Well, here, yeah, no, I can hold on to you.
Stay right there, Rat.
I am.
This is steep even for me.
Lend me a hand.
Yeah, no, it's easier to go up than down on this
Try not
one.
to do it quick.
Don't slide down, Mitch, just because I have your hand, all right?
Yeah, don't slide.
Oh no, I don't intend on it.
Do not.
If I lose my balance, that's where I'm counting on.
Ooh.
Yep.
Oh boy.
I'm good.
Got it.
Turn around.
Okay. Okay. Oh shit. I'm okay. I was like just in the process of slipping, but I caught myself. Yeah, there's a lot of hidden rocks down here, so we have to be careful.
There's ducks out here, too.
There's ducks? Fighting ducks? Yeah, but there's not a lot of just flat here. There's a lot of diagonal rocks and just walkways that are clearly not safe. I'm sure it is. You all right? I really think you should let me get in front of you so you can hold on to me.
I'm gonna let you pass me next time we find a bigger opening.
I could be like, up.
You okay?
Yep.
Okay.
You all right?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Hey,
Here.
Elmer,
Here, let me hold on to me.
just laugh at everyone.
All right, or don't.
Did you take a branch down?
It's still
I did
live or no?
not.
Illegal.
It is.
It's still live. Wow.
Yeah. Why don't you go ahead of me, Dave?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Here. If you need to hold on to me, let me know. I'll and if not, I'll be.
For a second now.
Yeah, sure. I'll be behind you if you ever fall forward. So, or I'll be in front of you. This is a little dangerous right here. This is a little
big
steep.
Step, big
Yeah.
Step.
Try not to. Yeah.
Got it.
All right.
Yeah.
And once we get out of this, we're going to be going up again.
Up is easier.
Yeah.
Okay.
Up is indeed easier. All right. So that's stream 27 minutes ago. So that would mean that
Probably
We were
right when we started. It kind of went out when we were starting.
Yeah.
I guess. Roughly.
yeah. Well, I mean, I was just saying like to gauge when we it's still live or no?
It is. It is.
Damn. I wonder what made it go out at right at the beginning. In that case, there's a good chance it goes out again when we get to that part. But the point I was saying is that means we
Have all of this in the can.
yeah. But no, what I was saying was that's like a good gauge on. It says live now, so click on the stream and like see if I'm actually moving because I want to go up here and just get some good shots up here. Okay, cool. You can turn the volume down just like every so often. See if it's like actually going.
I'm gonna go a little further.
Yeah, no, go further. Well, or no, you can wait for me if you think that it'll be an issue. Because I'll help you. This won't take long. I'll be up here for like not even a minute. I just want a good shot of over this. Oh man, the snow's picking up. Okay, I'm coming down. You still seeing motion on there?
Yes.
Okay, cool. If it goes out, it goes out. Not the biggest deal in the world. Honestly, I shouldn't even be streaming this. This is probably pretty dangerous. Like, look at these paths. Okay. All right. You're okay? Okay. Here, I'm coming. I'm not gonna rush because this is still dangerous, but okay. Oh shit. All right. Okay. Whoa. Okay, we're like halfway back. Oh shit! Here, you want me to get in front of you?